guys, today we will discuss the SAFe main hours and head count, how you can find out the head count. So here you can mention the contractor service, and in this place you can put the how many hours the employees or worker is working. And it is start from first. For example, if I can change to January, so I can put here. Here you can write from 1st January, for example, 13 employees, for third 94 or 43, same like this. You can mention, and here, if for example you can put 88 or something, it's automatically give you the average head count and total SAFe main hours. Okay, so it's attached to the video, the link, and you can download and use this head count and SAFe main hours for your benefit.